Carrot face pack for oily skin is the topic of today's video. So if you are someone who have acne, pimple or oily skin, don't forget to watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe. Press the bell icon because I know you don't want to miss this kind of DIY homemade face pack videos in future. So let's get started, jump into the video. Carrot face mask is perfect for any skin types. Carrot are a natural antiseptic and help make your skin feeling fresh and healthy. So what are the benefits of carrot for our skin? You want to know? Okay, I will explain in just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. It contains vitamin A, which is an antioxidant. It also contains vitamin K. Antioxidants protect your skin by limiting the production of free radicals, which can damage your skin cells. It can also do a lot for your health appearance of your skin, including reducing the sign of aging. It also treats acne. Second thing, it contains vitamin C, which reduces the appearance of brown spots and other types of sun damage, helps boost healthy collagen production, reduces inflammation and irritation, fights post breakouts and red marks by improving skin's natural healing response, increases the effectiveness of your sunscreen and boosts your skin's defense against UV. Potassium keeps the skin cells hydrated and moisturized. Carrot contains a vital component called beta-carotene, which removes dead skin cells, locks the moisturize in your skin, and promotes the renewal of your new skin cells. Vitamin E present in carrot is a both nutrient and antioxidant, as it can help hydrate delicate facial skin. It reduces the scars appearance over time and also dark spot. The next thing here we are using is honey. So why honey? Why we are using honey? Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention, full of antioxidants. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing. Honey is clarifying because it opens up pores, making them easy to unclog. Therefore, you can also use some cinnamon powder if you have acne or pimples. Cinnamon helps get rid of acne and pimples on the face and body. This is done by drying the skin, bringing blood and oxygen to the outer skin surface. Now let's make this face pack. Cut the carrot into small pieces and boil them for 10 minutes. You can grate the carrot pieces or blend it as you want, it's up to you. Now mash the boiled carrot pieces. Here I am just doing it in an easy way, you can see this. And then add honey. The ratio is something like this. If you add 2 teaspoon carrot paste, take 1 teaspoon honey. If you take 4 teaspoon carrot paste, you have to take 2 teaspoon honey. And after that, you can add a little bit, a pinch of cinnamon powder if you have acne scars, pimple related problem. And if you didn't have that kind of problem and you want something fairness or skin whitening effect, then add a lemon juice into it instead of cinnamon powder and make a smooth paste. After making it a smooth paste, apply the paste on your clean face and just wash it off after 20 to 30 minutes. Then apply a good toner and moisturizer. Repeat it for 2-3 times in a week. So that's today's video. I hope you like my effort, you like this idea to make a face pack with carrot. And yeah, before trying this face pack, make sure you just do a patch test, because this is must. Whenever you try something new, you should do a patch test because it's your responsibility to take care of your skin. So until next time, me signing off, Anika here. Take care, keep smiling, don't forget you are awesome. Bye bye.